Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Sunday series. And if you've been here, you're probably wondering what's going on with the crypto market. Is the bear market coming now? Are we in the bull run, but do we have a small correction? Stay with us to discuss these issues. In the last month, more than $500 million has left the crypto market. Where did this money go? Well, most likely, many have taken the profits out of crypto. However, several $100 billion are still being prepared in exchanges in the Stablecoins. These amounts are enough to blow up the price of any project for the night. We will tell a little about scams and how you can avoid them, because I see more and more fooled people whose money steals from digital wallets. I will show you what platform I use to follow the evolution of the market, and I will make a small presentation of it. Let's take a look at Coinmarketcup so we can see an overview. As we can see, Bitcoin and Ethereum have been in decline for more than a week. We currently have a Bitcoin price of $54,400. Compared to all-time high, we are at a price level below 80%. If we look a little at the chart, we can only see in the last 2 days a price contraction by 10%, the same decrease is observed for a whole week. And if we change the chart for a month, we can make a comparison with all-time high, and so as I already told you, we have a decrease of over 20%. And we can see that trading volumes are slightly declining. This does not mean that the direction we are going is necessarily down. Let's not forget that in the last month, a lot of coins have reached all-time high, and a lot of people have withdrawn from profits. This correction is normal and necessary, and from this point we can go again to an all-time high. If we look a little closer to Ethereum, we can now see that the price for a single currency is a little over $4,000. It may seem a little compared to all-time high, but let's not forget that on the first day of this year, the value of an Ethereum was $730. Here we also have a decrease compared to the beginning of the week of 7 to 8%. And if we look for a period of 1 month, we find here an all-time high of $4,844, compared to which we have a decrease of almost 20%. We can still see quite large trading volumes, worth $14,081 million for 24 hours. The amounts are large but hide a decrease in volume of over 35%. We can see a similarity in the evolution of the Ethereum price compared to Bitcoin. But let's take a short look at the third-place coin. Binance currency has a market capitalization of $99.2 billion. BNB ends the last cycle of 7 days with a slight increase. This may seem to have defied the direction of the market a little, but let's not be fooled by this aspect. Even if things are going well for the last week, it does not mean that BNB did not suffer. Because if we look at the chart for the last month, we can see that here too, we have a decrease of over 10% compared to the highest point reached in this cycle. We can see that the first 3 coins in the top go in similar directions. Now if we go back to the list of coins, we will find in 4th place the coin of those from Tether. It is the stable coin with the largest capitalization. We can see over $73 billion ready here. $73 billion is a huge amount, which if we add it to the capitalization of the USDC, another $38 billion, are ready to enter the market at any time, over $110 billion. But these are not all stable coins in the market. We also have the coin from Binance, called BUSD, which we find on the 17th place in Coinmarketcup with another $13 billion waiting to enter the market. With these amounts ready, we can always expect an immediate increase in the prices of some cryptocurrencies. However, at the top of the page we find the total capitalization of the crypto market, which a month ago, if I'm not mistaken, was over $3,000 billion, and now it's $2.5 trillion, which means that $500 billion has left the market. If we look a little at this index, which shows us the fear and greed of crypto investors, we can see that we are at alarming levels. The world is very panicked, and if everyone starts selling, we will have a serious correction, or even a bear market. I'm not trying to scare you at all. If you ask me, I really think we won't have a bear market too soon, and when it does, it won't be as hard as the last one. We can already see good projects, which easily detach from the direction of the market and follow their path. An example is the Elrond project with the eGold coin, which, despite the market decline, continues to grow. No matter what the market value is, when you have a position in the portfolio that is minus, it is important not to sell. You won't lose anything if you don't sell at a loss. No matter how low the market goes, at some point it will recover. In each growth cycle, cryptocurrency prices exceed their latest price records. This applies to good projects. Among the weak projects, many will disappear in the bear market, which is normal. We also need a cleaning in the market. The crypto market is still very volatile, which offers great earning opportunities, but also great risks for beginners. Only invest the money you are willing to lose, and do not sell for less. With these two rules in mind, you will not lose money in crypto unless you are scammed. But we'll talk about that right away. We used for the previous presentation Coinmarketcup, which is one of the most important information bridge in the crypto world. In case you don't use it yet, I warmly recommend you to do it. I would leave you a link in the description. Here, if you enter daily, you will be rewarded with diamonds. Diamonds with which you can then buy NFTs. You can also make price predictions for certain coins, and you will be compensated with diamonds, and if your predictions come true, you will receive more diamonds. You can also participate in airdrops, based on simple conditions of participation. You can earn coins from new projects to be listed. You can also vote on which country you think will be the next to integrate Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency as the payment method, as El Salvador has already done. You can make a lot of predictions to collect diamonds, and with them, as I said, you can buy NFTs later. Here is a list of NFTs that can be found now and that you can buy. You can sell them later, including for real money. You need to check hide sold out items to see only those currently available. As you can see, there are not many, but they are specially made for crypto lovers. Tastes differ from person to person, so I leave it to you to choose which NFT suits you. You can buy one with Elon Musk's face, or maybe one with a Dogecoin on it. At the top of the page you have a button that takes you to your portfolio. I also added 2 coins here to show you how it works. Here you can add each currency on the date and time you bought it, and Coinmarketcup will keep track of your portfolio even if it is in several wallets. It will be very easy for you to check in time the purchase price of each currency, or the dollar cost average, or even the gain obtained with each position separately, but also with your portfolio as a whole. You can also see a very nice chart with the evolution of your wallet over time. You can also easily add a new coin just like in the video. You can choose the date and time you bought, so you can add here your entire portfolio on transactions made on exchanges. You can also track your favorite currencies and receive notifications when their prices fall or rise. The platform still offers many interesting things, but I leave you to discover some of them. I've been seeing a lot of people cheating in crypto lately, whose money has been stolen. I will continue to present you some of the classic methods of being fooled, in order to avoid them. A very popular method is to announce that you have 0.5 Bitcoin, or 70 e-gold, or any other cryptocurrency. You will be approached by email, by message on Facebook, on WhatsApp or Telegram, and they all lead in the same direction. In order to receive your prize, it offers you a link that you must log into, and the prize will be awarded automatically. What is really going on behind this? You do not actually receive a link to log in, but only a copy of the interface of a digital wallet, in which, when you enter the secret phrase to connect, you actually send your secret phrase to the attacker. Of course, you will not be able to connect, and you will receive an error, but from this moment your attacker already has access to your account, and will empty it before you can figure it out. This method is practiced for wallets such as Trust Wallet, MetaMask or Mayor Wallet. That is, wallets that can only be accessed through the secret phrase. Remember that no one will ever give you free cryptocurrencies without participating in a contest. No one ever asks you for the secret phrase to give you a prize. The only prize you will receive will be a painful lesson. Anyone who asks you for the secret phrase wants to steal your money exclusively. No website or application will ask you for this, except for the wallet application, and only when you log into a new device, or if you have logged out of your account. Wherever you offer your secret phrase, you can be sure that your account is compromised. Another way to bring yourself to such an interface and steal your secret phrase is to send you various coins in your wallet, and in the description of the transfer it puts a link that redirects you to a fake interface of a digital wallet. Don't be fooled by this, it is extremely simple for anyone to create a worthless coin. Maybe I'll make a clip showing you how to make your own cryptocurrency for less than $10. Not everything you receive in your wallet has value, so transactions that you do not recognize, it would be good to simply ignore them. Also, avoid weird sites that offer you huge interest rates when depositing money. Check the history of those websites, see which is the company behind them, where it has its headquarters, what its turnover is, what is the reward plan, and where they will pay you those interests. Because most websites like this are scams. There is no company behind it, it is just a domain and a simplistic interface in which you connect with your wallet and deposit money. You will see on the screen how you get very high interest rates, but that money does not exist. You will never be able to remove anything from those websites again. That's in case they don't disappear until the next day. Of course, these are just some of the scams that are practiced. We will discuss more in the next videos. Thank you for staying until the end, and if this video brought you value, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Give a share to see your friends, because we are trying to cross the threshold of 1,000 subscribers. It would be a real help from you if you did these things. Click on the bell so as not to miss the next important episodes of Crypto Sunday, and until next time I leave you on the screen the last episode of this series. Don't forget to take care of your money, and always make informed investments, and only after you have documented yourself enough.